Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Word of the Day, Milat Hayom, we will learn how to say timetable or schedule in Hebrew, and why we have here two words and even a second option. So in English, you see timetable. It's from time and table. And in Hebrew, and I will explain in a minute why, luach zmanim. Luach zmanim. Luach zmanim. Luach zmanim. And in acronym, lose. And why? Timetable. This is a thing that is showing times for certain activities or events. And also in a railway station, time and table, if you remember, of arrivals and departures of trains. So first of all, time in Hebrew is zman, and the table originally from Latin, and from there it got to French and German. So in Latin, table was something like board, slab, plank. And in Hebrew, luach. Luach. You see here the patach gnuva. Patach is like a short line, but in the end of the word, the sound of ach. Luach. And together, so in English, timetable. But in Hebrew, we said luach zmanim. And zmanim, this is the plural. Zman is time, and zmanim, this is the plural. So masculine, singular, and the plural. Zman, zmanim. And luach, this is singular, and plural, luchot. Luach, luchot, zman, zmanim. So in Hebrew, timetable, we take the word luach, singular, but zmanim instead of time, this is the plural form, luach, zmanim, right? And now let's talk about this. Lose. Lose, the acronym. Lose. So if you want to say that something is on your schedule, yes, you plan this, you can say, yes, it is on my schedule. Yes, ken, ze, it, on my, sheli, schedule. Baluz, remember in Hebrew, sheli, mine, after. So first, baluz. It's like luz and ba, in, the. Yes, ken, ze baluz sheli. And if it's not on your schedule, ze lo baluz sheli. You can say, lo baluz sheli. Lo baluz sheli. זה לא בלוז שלי. Or כן, זה בלוז שלי. זה לא בלוז שלי. And if it is, כן, זה בלוז שלי. So, לוח, לוחות, זמן, זמנים. לוח זמנים, schedule. Timetable. You will find interesting and important links to other lessons, alphabet, Niqqud, pronouns, derived stems, and more in the description box below. And I will see you soon. להתראות בקרוב. Bye bye.